What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to make beat for artists like Lil Uzi Vert or Pop Smoke. If this is your first time here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, smash the like button and share this video to all your friends and family. Okay, without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, I'm going to start this beat with a bell sound. Okay, I'm going to start with this pattern here. Okay, the tempo of this beat is set to 100. Let's record it. Okay, I'm going to quantize this, but I'm going to add a little bit of swing and some randomization, especially to the higher note here. And I'm going to increase the length of these notes. Okay, that's a cool sound. Now let's go ahead and add a synth lead. Okay, I like that, so let's record it. Okay, the end I'm gonna have to adjust it a little bit. Let's quantize this guy. Okay, let's hear it together. Okay, let's add another sound. Okay, I just played the same note, repeated throughout the whole 8 bar. Okay, let's add a kick. That sounds okay. But I might change the rhythm later. So let's add snare. The first hit, I want it to have a longer sustain, longer decay sound. The second snare, I want it to be shorter, like that. Okay, let's record. Okay, now let's add a rim shot. I'm gonna add a few more notes here for the kick. Okay, I'm gonna just repeat this here. Okay, I changed the kick pattern and also the boom shot pattern. Now it sounds better. Let's go ahead and add a hi-hat. Okay, that pattern sounds good. I'm gonna just copy and paste. Okay, now let's add 808. Let's add some kind of vocal chop. Okay, I like that. Let's change the rhythm a little bit. I think I'm gonna repeat the same pattern, like so. Okay, let's arrange the track. I'm gonna just duplicate this a couple of times. I'm gonna start this beat with no vocal chop, no 808, no snare, no kick. Okay, I think I want to add an 808 here. Okay. To remove the synth as well. There's something wrong with the 808. Let me check. The timing is not right. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked this beat. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, smash the like button, and share this video to all your friends. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.